Are you looking for the best space heaters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best space heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vornado MVH Whole Room Heater. The heat from this little Vornado can feel like a form of magic, spooky action at a distance. The MVH is remarkably quiet, a volume somewhere between a whisper and the rustle of a stream. At 6 feet, the breeze from its fan is barely perceptible. Not only does its chassis stay cool to the touch, you can rest a hand on its heat exhaust without pain. When I first turned it on, I suspected it might be broken. And yet within 15 minutes, a thermometer on my far back wall registered 5 degrees hotter, slightly higher than the thermometer right in front of the heater. See what I mean? Spooky. The magic, apparently, is a vortex action technology that sends out a column of gently spiraling warm air to bounce off walls and disperse, an explanation that sounds like marketing snake oil but whose results are measurable. While multiple Vornado heaters claim mastery of the vortex, the MVH offers the best mix of fast and even heating, simplicity, safety, and quietude. Tip-over shutoff is near instantaneous, and overheat protection is likewise reliable. Vornado's 5-year warranty, with good service reports from customers online, is also a bonus. But note that the MVH is analog, with a mechanical thermostat, and there's no fan for summer use. It does only what it does, and does it well. For a similar but slightly louder model with a fan and digital readout, get the Vornado AVH10, described lower on this list. Specs. Heater type forced air, electric resistance. Heating/cooling modes 3 heating modes, 1500W, 1100W, 750W. Thermostat yes, mechanical. Remote no. Timer no. Safety features mechanical tip-over switch, overheat shutoff. Operating noise 38 to 40 decibels. Number 2. Dyson Purifier Hot Plus Cool HP07. The HP07 isn't just a heater. It's an app-enabled air quality sensor, a HEPA and carbon air filter, a hydrometer, an actually accurate thermometer, a cooling fan, and, yes, a classic resistance heater. Like most Dyson fans, it looks like a droid without a face. The Dyson's actual fan is hidden in its base, pushing hot or cool air around the top loop and blasting it out using what Dyson proudly announces is jet engine technology. If you turn up the fan full blast, it'll sound like it. Other quirks include non-existent paper instructions, which are hidden instead in the settings function of a phone app. Dyson says this is to save the Earth, though they could have first nixed the over-generous cardboard packaging. The US version of the device and phone app both lack temperature controls, so woe betide those who lose the Wii remote that affixes magnetically to the heater's top. And yet, Lord, it's nifty. Though priced accordingly, the HP07 is the most sophisticated home atmospheric management tool I tested for this guide. It heats the room evenly and quickly, has no exposed elements or blades, cleans easily, looks kinda fun, continually filters small particles from the air, and remains cool to the touch. Its accurate thermostat is a unicorn-level rarity among space heaters. Meanwhile, the app provides extensive environmental information and tracks it over time, which becomes a sort of hobby if you let it. If you don't care about the smart app whizbangery, the first-generation HP10 costs a couple hundred less and doesn't connect to the app. Specs. Heater type forced air, electric resistance. Heating and cooling modes 1500W max heater, power regulated by thermostat and fan strength, fan for cooling. Thermostat yes, digital. Remote/app full control via remote, app offers monitoring but can't turn on heat. Time shutoff yes. Safety features tip-over sensor at 45 degrees, overheat shutoff. Operating noise 50 decibels at moderate settings, up to 60 at highest fan speed. Number 3. Dreo Smart Wall-Mounted Heater with ALCI plug. A cold bathroom in the morning feels cruel and unnecessary. But a space heater on the floor can feel reckless in a room with a bathtub. A fixed wall unit, mounted away from the shower, is a more credible solution to early morning shivers. This slim-profile Dreo offers IP24 certification against splashes, plus the same ALCI plug you'll find on your hairdryer to prevent shocks. The heater's app-enabled smart function means you can turn the heater on from the warmth of your bed, and bask in the glow of a warm bathroom by the time you arrive. It's also great for your home's other cool spots that lack convenient floor space. The wall-mounted Dreo heats a mid-sized room within 15 minutes, though even heat distribution depends strongly on central wall placement. Other helpful phone app features include usage tracking over time, Alexa voice compatibility, and button push calibration of the thermostat. You'll need that calibration. The thermostat on this unit fares better than earlier generation devices from Dreo, but can still be confused by light breezes or the device's own heat source. Installation is pretty straightforward, provided you've hung a framed picture before. But make sure to mount the Dreo high enough to be out of reach for curious youngsters. While the housing stays cool, the heat exhaust vent can get hot to the touch. Specs: heater type forced air, electric resistance. Heating modes: 3 heating modes, 1500W with high or low fan, 900W, cooling fan mode. Thermostat: yes, digital. Remote/app: remote and phone app offer full control. Timer: full on/scheduling capability. Safety features: overheat throttle and shutoff. Operating noise: 44 to 48 decibels. Number 4. Ellipse ceramic tabletop heater. This little ceramic number from Lasco was the space heater I kept reaching for while testing dozens of other space heaters. It's not the most obvious choice. It doesn't heat a room evenly, its grill surface gets wackily hot, and the thermostat is an inside joke. I'm not sure I'd run it near babies or small dogs. And yet I still kept voting for it with my cold feet. Why? Because this little thing can radically change my whole experience of life within about 15 seconds of being turned on. It brings the heat, as they say, though mostly within an 8-foot radius. Within that manifold, it's like living inside a hairdryer, which is more pleasant than it sounds. You're warm and lovely from your heart cockles to your cankles. On the safety front, the device's tip-over and overheat shutoff work as quickly and as well as any heater I tested. The remote control is a welcome convenience to turn down the heat blast whenever I start to feel like a roast duck. Specs: heater type forced air, ceramic electric resistance. Heating/cooling modes: 3 heater power settings, 1500W, 1300W, 900W. Thermostat: yes, digital. Remote: yes. Timer: TMED shutoff, half hour to 12 hours. Safety features: 45-degree tip-over trigger, overheat shutoff. Operating noise: 48 to 52 decibels. Number 5. Vornado AVH10 whole room heater. I've had overall good luck with no-frills Vornado heaters, which tend to heat quietly and well. The Kansas-based legacy company, whose simple, American-made fans are prized by our gear team, also offers an exemplary 5-year warranty. This is a good insurance policy, given scattered online reports of inconsistency in space heaters mostly made overseas. The AVH10 is quite similar to our top pick, including visually, and distributes heat just as well around the room. The upgrade is that this one also comes with a cooling fan to make it useful in the summer, and offers a digital thermostat we found to be accurate within a couple degrees or so, no mean feat among heaters we tested. The main downsides are a louder fan with a more palpable breeze than the MVH, and a higher price tag. Vornado's mechanical tip-over protection, which triggers each time the device is moved, is also best with analog devices like our top pick. With digital heaters like this one, the heater must be turned back on with a loud beep and then reset, a small but continual inconvenience. Want a timed shutoff in a remote? We haven't yet tested it, but the upgraded TAVH10 offers both at a slight premium. Specs: heater type forced air, electric resistance. Heating/cooling modes: 2 heating modes, 1500W, 750W, cooling fan. Thermostat: yes, digital. Remote: no. Timer: no. Safety features: mechanical tip-over switch, overheat shutoff. Operating noise 50 to 54 decibels.